Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make the right decision in 2023. Here are 20 steps that can help you make the right decision in 2023. Number 1. Clearly define the decision. Try to clearly define the nature of the decision you must make. This first step is very important. Number 2. Gather relevant information. Collect some pertinent information related to the decision. Number 3. Identify the problem. Start by considering the decision in the context of the problem it is intended to address. You need to determine whether the stated problem is the real problem. Number 4. Identify your values. Consider your values and priorities to ensure that your decision aligns with them. Number 5. Consider the consequences. Think about the potential outcomes of each option and how they will impact you and others involved. Number 6. Seek advice. Seek advice from trusted family, friends, or professionals who can provide different perspectives. Number 7. Assess risks. Consider the potential risks and benefits of each option. Number 8. Consider different scenarios. Consider how the decision may play out in different scenarios. Number 9. Take a break. Take a break from the decision-making process to clear your mind and reduce stress. Number 10. Visualize the future. Visualize how each decision may impact your future and consider the long-term consequences. Number 11. Assess your emotions. Assess how your emotions may be influencing your decision-making process. Number 12. Consider the timing. Consider the timing of the decision and whether it is the right time to make it. Number 13. Evaluate your options. Evaluate your options based on the information you have gathered. Number 14. Seek additional information. Seek additional information or clarification to ensure you have a complete understanding of the decision at hand. Number 15. Consider the impact on others. Consider how your decision may impact others involved and their well-being. Number 16. Consider the impact on yourself. Consider how each decision may impact your own well-being and happiness. Number 17. Trust your instincts. Trust your instincts and intuition to guide you towards the right decision. Number 18. Make a decision. Once you have weighed all the options and considered all factors, make a decision. Number 19. Take action. Take action on your decision and move forward with confidence. Remember, making the right decision takes time and effort. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success and make decisions that align with your values and goals.
Senta pra bandidão, aqui é o crime ostentação. Senta pra bandidão.